Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC unbuffered UDMM memory kit. If you're running a server, a high-performance workstation, or even a demanding NAS system, you know how crucial, reliable, and fast memory is. This kit, with its 4x32GB sticks, promises to deliver exactly that. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise-grade memory, and this kit seems to fit that bill perfectly. It's not just about throwing a bunch of gigabytes together. It's about ensuring stability and performance under heavy workloads. The ECC error-correcting code feature is a big plus, especially for critical applications where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring your system runs smoothly, even when pushed to its limits. The 2666 MHz speed is a solid choice, striking a good balance between performance and compatibility. While faster speeds exist, 2666 MHz is widely supported and offers a noticeable improvement over slower memory, especially in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running virtual machines. The PC4-21300 designation confirms its bandwidth capabilities, ensuring it can handle the data flow required by demanding applications. The fact that it's unbuffered DMM, means it's designed for systems that don't require registered memory. This makes it suitable for a wide range of servers and workstations, but it's always crucial to check your motherboard specifications to ensure compatibility. The 1.2V operating voltage is standard for DDR4, contributing to energy efficiency and reducing heat generation. Installation, as with most RAM upgrades, should be relatively straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, and generally, it involves simply inserting the modules into the appropriate slots on your motherboard. However, always consult your system's manual for specific instructions and to ensure proper seating. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. This is a significant advantage, providing peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. They also highlight their seasoned IT support staff, which can be invaluable if you encounter any compatibility or performance problems. In summary, the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 kit appears to be a well-rounded and reliable option for users seeking to upgrade their server or workstation memory. The ECC functionality, coupled with a lifetime warranty, makes it a compelling choice for those who prioritize stability and longevity. While the 2666 MHz speed might not be the absolute fastest on the market, it offers a good balance of performance and compatibility for a wide range of systems. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to boost your system's performance and ensure data integrity, this NEMIX RAM kit is definitely worth considering. Just remember to double-check your motherboard specifications before purchasing to ensure compatibility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.